This is the switch for the Wi-Fi. Now the Wi-Fi is basically just the same kind of LTE connection you would get through your phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. What I recommend is, trying to use your own hotspot first, right? If you find that you're having a hard time getting a signal, this is a great backup option because it has its own dedicated antenna on the roof. Maybe it's operating on a different carrier than your phone has, so that might also help it. It does tend to work a little bit better in more remoter areas. So if you want to use the Wi-Fi, obviously make sure all the power is turned on, but then flip this switch, right? You'll see the red on the bottom, you'll know it's on, right? And then the password is vanlife 2022. Let me know if that password doesn't work, and I'll try and give you another one, but that should be the password. Yeah, that'll give you Wi-Fi the whole trip. That can be really handy, again, if you don't have a Wi-Fi hotspot plan on your current provider, or you have problems with service on your trip. And just like everything else in the van, when you're not using it, just leave it turned off. And again, you'll know it's off when you don't see that red on the bottom.